Welcome back. Today I'm making a very simple and wholesome North Indian thali with cauliflower and potato sabzi, dal fry and fresh rotis. A comforting everyday meal loved in many homes. So let's get cooking.
We are going to start by preparing the dal for our dal fry. Here I have taken half a cup of masoor dal and a quarter cup of yellow moong dal. Give them a good mix, then rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. Now transfer the dal to a pressure cooker and add water. The water level should be 6 to 8 times more than the dal, so it cooks nicely and becomes soft. I have also added a little turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, and some chopped tomatoes. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles until perfectly soft and tender. Now moving on to the sabzi. Here I have chopped potatoes and cauliflower and soaked them in water, as this helps prevent them from staining and keeps them fresh. In a pot, add some oil and let it heat up. Once hot, add cumin seed and let them splutter. Then add a pinch of asafoetida. Next, add the chopped onions and cook until they become soft and slightly translucent. To the onions, add chopped ginger and green chillies. Next, add the spices: turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander and cumin powder. Mix everything well. Now add the chopped tomatoes along with a splash of water to prevent the masala from burning. Cook until the tomatoes soften and the spices blend beautifully. And last but not least, add some kitchen king masala for extra flavor. If you don't have kitchen king masala, you can simply use garam masala instead. Our mixture has cooked well. As you can see, the oil has separated on the sides, which means the masala is ready. Now add the potatoes, give everything a good mix and cover the pot for a few minutes so they are half cooked and well coated in masala. Now let's check on our potatoes. They are looking good. To this, add the cauliflower, then add salt to taste and a dash of water. Mix everything well so it's evenly coated. Cover it again and let it cook for a few more minutes. After some time, let's check it again. Add some green peas, mix well and cover for just a minute or two, as peas don't take long to cook. Now let's check on our sabji. It is perfectly done. Let's transfer it into a bowl and garnish with fresh coriander. Our dal is boiled nicely, and now we are going to prepare the tadka for the dal. In a pan, add ghee, that's clarified butter. Once the ghee is hot, add red chillies and then cumin seeds. Add a pinch of asafoetida, followed by chopped ginger, garlic and green chillies. Next, add curry leaves, fresh chopped coriander and Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything well, then add a splash of water. Now pour this tempering into the boiled dal. I'll save a little bit of tempering for the final touch. Mix it well and let the dal simmer for a few minutes. Lastly, add some fresh coriander and, as usual, transfer it to a serving bowl. Garnish with the tempering we saved earlier. On this side, I also have steaming rice ready. And of course, no meal is complete without bread. So let's make some Phulka rotis. It's always a pleasure to have some fresh rotis with any meal. Simple, comforting and filling. And here our thali is ready. I also have some condiments on the side: green pickled chilies, fresh onions and tomatoes, and spicy mango pickle. Enjoy and do let me know how you prepare your thali for your family and friends. And as always, please do like, share and subscribe. See you soon.